What up, ladies and gentlemen? Is your boy Kendo. I am live here in Denver, Colorado, USA. Like we all know, I'm a cultural promoter. I promote Igbo culture. I promote Igbo in the diaspora. And I believe that every one of us that has been watching my video has been appreciative, has been supportive, has been kind, and you guys are amazing. So this message today is for the Igbo man. I want you to know the good part of the Igbo man. Igbo men are kind, Igbo men are generous, Igbo men are caring. The real Igbo men does not beat their wives. The real Igbo men are super strong. They are hustlers. Wherever they go, they will always survive. Wherever you see an Igbo man, he will always have this beautiful IQ or intelligence that he will use to make life better. Igbo men, real Igbo men support their family, support their siblings, support their parents. Real Igbo men are kind to any religion, to any tribe, to any ethnic group, to any race. We love people. We know how to be by people. A real Igbo man does not eat alone. A real Igbo man always eat and give the people around him. A real Igbo man is super great. A real Igbo man is patient, and we always believe in hard work. We always believe in hustling positively, and that is why we are called the real Igbo men. Today, I give kudos to all the Igbo men who are out there hustling for the greatness, hustling for the betterment of their life and family. A real Igbo man will lift his brother up to be in a better position, just like him. Ndị Igbo, ndị Igbo. Ebe ọ bụla ị na-aga, mara n'eziokwu na Igbo n'Igbo. Don't give up in what you do. Always believe in yourself and stay strong. If life is not okay for you, don't give up. Be strong. I pray that Olisa will continue to bless you. Chukwu okike gozie unu. Ihe ọ bụla unu na-eme. Stay safe. Igbo kwenu.